Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a hammer. So first of all, fold this like this. So first fold the top left corner all the way down so it meets the right edge of the paper. You will then unfold as this will be a guiding crease. After that, repeat the same thing with the top right corner and unfold. You should end up with an unfolded sheet of paper with two creases forming an X. Now fold the top right corner down so that its edges meet the creases that goes from top to left, bottom to bottom right. Do the same with the left corner. The top left point should exactly meet the diagonal right edge of the airplane. Fold the paper plane in half, then unfold. After you have unfolded the previous step, fold the top down so that its edge meets the bottom edge. Fold the top left corners down so that their points meet at the middle crease. Unfold. As with many steps in making this airplane, these creases are a guide. Now take what was the top edge that you previously folded down 3 images back and fold it back up at the point where its edge meets the creases from the previous step. Fold the corners yet again so that their edges meet both the edge of the top flap and the creases from the 2 steps ago. Both corners folded in, meeting both the top flap and the previously made creases. These are ultimately the wings. Fold the wings in once more, this time simply folding along the crease that you have already made. After this step, your plane should have straight lines down to the bottom of the plane. Both wings folded in again, straight edges from top to bottom. Fold the top down from where it meets the top of the wing flaps you created in the previous step. Fold the whole thing in half outward. You want all paper flaps on the outside of the craft. At this point, folding can become a little tricky because of the thickness of the paper. So take extra care in making good, clean folds. Fold the wings down so that their edge meets the bottom edge of the plane. This creates a small snub nose. Again, this can be a tough fold, so be precise and take your time if you have to. The finished hammer. This bad boy flies like a dream. Let me show you how this flies.